Well, here we are. We're sitting on the side of the road. We just left town. We're about 20 k's out of town. Jack sent of us. Hello, Jack. Say hello. Jack, say hello to the camera. Say hello. He's all keen until I get the camera out. But anyways, we're late getting going. It's only nearly 1:15. And like I said, we're about 20 k's out of Albany heading to Denmark. We're going to try and get to Walpole this afternoon before it gets too dark. As you can see, it's raining. So we'll just see how far we get. We'll see what the weather does and we'll keep you informed. Right, see ya. Well, we've just gone through Denmark. We're about 10 k's the other side of Denmark now, heading for Walpole. It's still raining. Jack's sleeping. Oh, he was. He just woke up. Jack was sleeping till I stopped, and he wanted to get out, and then he realised it was raining and decided he wants to stay in. Didn't you? So we're going to keep going on to Walpole. We'll see what the weather's like when we get there. If it's still dribbling like this, we might just push on a little bit and find somewhere nice to stop on the side of the road in the local forest just for the night, and then we'll push on tomorrow to Northcliffe. Well, here we are at Walpole. This is the park near the visitor centre. We've had a bit of a look around and we've checked the weather forecast. It's not looking great. I haven't decided yet whether to keep moving or stay here for the night, but we'll soon find out. Sitting on the side of the road in the rain, controlling traffic. They're doing a lot of work on the edges of the road here after the heavy rain we had last month, so they're all being resurfaced. Well, here we are, just outside of Northcliffe. We actually made better progress than we thought we would. We got to Walpole and it was blowing and raining, so we decided to keep going. So we're here at Northcliffe, and we've only got about 40 kilometres to go to Pemberton. So we might keep pushing on to Pemberton and stay the night at Pemberton, and then tomorrow we can push on through to Augusta and Leeuwin, the Leeuwin Lighthouse, Cape Leeuwin. Give us a bit more time tomorrow. We'll spend a couple of days down at the Cape. Yeah, but so we're ready to go home. Jack's had a good nap and he's ready to settle down and have a proper sleep. So I think we might push on through to Pemberton and see what happens then. So as you can see, we're on the move again. We're actually on the Northcliffe to Pemberton Road that runs through the old growth forest here. It's only about 30 kilometres through to Pemberton, so we'll get there, we'll have a look around, maybe grab some food, and then we'll find somewhere to stay for the night. I'm thinking maybe we'll backtrack from Pemberton onto the Vass Highway, which will give us a good straight run then and find somewhere to sleep, and it'll be a good run in the morning to our next stop. the things you find in the middle of nowhere. We just turned down a track. We're in Pemberton and we just turned down a little track. I just noticed it said railway. I thought, yeah, didn't think much about what it was, and come down in the hill into a cutting here. You can see the cutting runs, well, I'm standing on what's left of one of the tracks, but it cuts right through the forest here, and there's old train sheds and trains and stations, platforms, trams, and apparently it's open every day from 9 in the morning till 2 in the afternoon, I think it is. But I'll put the link in the description. I've got a photo that I've taken off the timetable. Yeah, so it might be we might call back in on the way back and see if we can get on the tram or a train. I'm assuming these are the trams behind me. I'm not sure if I can say those, but I'll take some photos of them. But obviously the steam engine is not working. The fire door off, the firebox door is off, and it doesn't look like it's been moved for a while. Yeah, there you can see the fire door is not on, and I don't think a lot of the controls are working. Lots of bits of equipment lying around. But it looks awesome. It's yeah, I might make a whole episode of this. I might have to come back and get some more footage, because it says on the, where am I? Hang on, the screen's gone off. It says here, trip Pemberton Tramway. So 10:30 till 11:45, and then 2 till 3:15. It also says here, forest encounters by tram. 10:30 and 2:30. Duration 75 minutes, Monday to Saturday. I must have just missed it. So I said I might come back, but it says it's open 9 till 4. Monday to Friday 9 till 4. So it looks like we've got something to do on the way back. And that looks like it's the tram over there. I'll have a walk over and have a look. So there you go, eh? And it was just by pure luck that I found it. Just going to go looking for so we just buy some fast food. Then we're going to leave Pemberton and head just out of town somewhere and find a nice spot to park up for the night, and then we'll head to Augusta and Cape Leeuwin tomorrow. So we'll spend a couple of days down that way, then we'll head back here. Doesn't that look nice? Jack wants to get out, but there's bunny rabbits running around. I'll let him run out. Jack, you're locked in. Come here. And he runs off. He just runs like a mad fool, and then what have you lost? What have you found? So we've left Pemberton now, and we've backtracked a little bit, and we're on the Stewart Road, which cuts off about 50 kilometres cutting this way, rather than go all the way up to heading north and then turn around to come back down the main highway. This one looks pretty good, this road. It's had a lot of work done on the edges. A lot of these roads were damaged, like I say, a couple of months ago, or a month ago, when we had that bad heavy rain and wind, and a lot of the roads were washed away, the edges were washed away. So they're spending quite a bit of time fixing up these roads. But it's getting long shadows, and it's getting time for cooking some dinner. We didn't stop in Pemberton for food, so we're going to have to stop on the side of the road, find a nice little spot, Oh, car park. Nice stop. And we'll find a little spot and we'll cook some dinner. And Jack can have a run and then we'll settle in for bed. So we'll just let this run for another couple of minutes so you can see the scenery and the trees, and we will catch you later on. So as you can see, we found a nice little spot for the night and we're going to bed down. Jack's had his little run, he's laying in bed eating his dinner. So we're going to leave you with just a few glimpses of things to come. So this will give you just a glimpse of what's going to happen in the next couple of episodes. So until then, we'll see you all and we'll say goodbye, and remember to like and subscribe, do all the usual things, and we will catch you all later. Bye bye for now. Thanks everybody for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe so you get notifications when new videos are put up to see. Okay, thank you very much. Bye.